Have you ever been sitting there doing absolutely nothing and suddenly you feel off? Not sad, not angry, just empty. Your phone doesn't help, music doesn't help, motivation videos don't help. And you think, why can't I just feel happy for no reason? Here's the truth no one tells you. Your brain can shift into a better state in 15 seconds without fixing your life, without positive thinking, and without forcing motivation. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple brain switches that lift your mood almost instantly. But listen closely. The third one is the most powerful. Miss it, and you miss the switch that permanently changes how your brain reacts to stress. So stay with me until the end. Let me start with a quick story. 2 people have the same bad day, same traffic, same stress, same problems. One feels miserable all night. The other shakes it off. The difference isn't their life. It's what their brain did in the first few seconds after things went wrong. Your brain isn't designed to make you happy. It's designed to react fast. And once you understand that reaction, you can interrupt it almost instantly. That's where these 3 tricks come in. Let's jump into the first one. Trick number 1, the face feedback switch. Here's something most people don't know. Your brain doesn't just create emotions, it reads your body to decide how you feel. And your face is one of its strongest signals. Do this with me right now. Gently raise your eyebrows, relax your jaw, and let the corners of your mouth lift just a little. Not a big smile, just a soft one. Hold it for 15 seconds. Here's what's happening. Your brain receives a message, we must be safe. And when your brain thinks you're safe, it lowers stress chemicals and boosts feel-good ones. You didn't force happiness, you signaled it. That's why this works so fast. Your brain reacts to physical cues faster than thoughts. Most people wait to feel better before changing their body, but your brain works in reverse. Change the signal first, the emotion follows. And that leads us to trick number 2. Name it to tame it. Now, what if your body calms down, but your mind won't stop? The overthinking, the replaying, the future tripping anxiety? This is where most people get stuck. Your brain has 2 modes, reacting and thinking. When emotions spike, reaction takes over. Here's the shortcut. The moment you feel off, say this: I'm feeling stressed. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm feeling irritated. That's it. No fixing, no analyzing. Just name it. The moment you label the emotion, control shifts from emotional centers to logical ones. It's like flipping a switch. You're no longer inside the emotion, you're observing it. Same feeling, less intensity. Think of it like this. When a storm hits and you're outside, you're soaked. But once you name it, you're watching the storm from indoors. And here's why this works so fast. Your brain cannot fully panic and fully label at the same time. Labeling interrupts the loop. Now combine this with the first trick. Your face says I'm safe. Your mind says I see what's happening. That alone is powerful. But the third trick does something different. It changes how your brain releases happiness chemicals, and this one changes everything. Trick number 3, the micro-win dopamine hit. This is the most important one. If you miss this, you miss the fastest happiness trigger your brain has. Most people chase happiness the wrong way. They wait for motivation, they wait for good news, they wait for life to improve.
But your brain doesn't release happiness after success. It releases it during progress, even tiny progress. Here's the trick. Pick one action that takes less than 15 seconds. Straighten your posture. Take one slow breath. Drink a sip of water. Check off one tiny task. Do it now. That's it. Your brain just detected progress, and progress equals dopamine. That dopamine doesn't just feel good, it increases motivation, focus, and hope. This is why starting is always the hardest part. Once you start, your brain helps you continue. Most people wait to feel motivated before acting, but it works the other way around. Action comes first, motivation follows. Bad mood? Micro win. Low energy? Micro win. Stuck? Micro win. You don't need big changes, you need movement, and your brain rewards it immediately. Now imagine this. You feel yourself slipping. You soften your face, you name the emotion, you create one tiny win. In under a minute, your nervous system shifts, not because life changed, but because your brain chemistry did. That's real control. And the more you use these switches, the faster your brain responds. These aren't habits you need months to build. They're switches you can flip anytime, anywhere. Here's the truth most people never learn. Happiness isn't something you find, it's something you activate. Your brain already has everything it needs, you just learned how to use it. So the next time you feel empty, overwhelmed, or stuck, you won't spiral. You'll flip the switch. Because happiness isn't far away. It's one small action away. If this helped you even a little, like the video, subscribe for more mind science tools, and share this with someone who's been feeling off lately. You never know who needs this today.